Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. This is our evening time, drive time update. We got the red Debbie Bear, Debbie Downer Bear in the house, guys. And I know what you guys are thinking. Is it game over for crypto? Is this it? Are we going down, down? Are we going to hit the floor? Or is everything going to go to zero? Well, I know right now it feels like that. The alien even this, it feels like that. So I'm going to talk to you about what I think is going to happen. And, sure, sometimes, even Vitalik Buterin in the house, he says sometimes that we need to see things go down before things go up. And, one of the main reasons, and I say it again and again and again, guys, is that the main reason we're seeing the cryptos go down is because of the geopolitical situation that's going on right now in Russia and the Ukraine. And then we also got that craziness that's going up in Canada. And we're going to talk about how you can protect your crypto from, people trying to take your crypto off centralized exchanges, guys. And we're going to talk about all of that. Remember, this is not financial advice, guys. So let's jump into it. Let's go down the crypto rabbit hole with the OG in the house, guys. So let's get it right now. Don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, subscribe like never before, and let's get into it. This is going to be a whole video of hopefully you guys will, go away feeling better, feeling pumped, and it's not the end of the world. Sure, the sky's falling down a little bit, but it's not the end of the world of crypto. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. Let's get it, guys. Let's get into the content right now without any further delay, guys. So, the big Debbie Downer right now is if you look at the heat map in the house, we're seeing that things are just red, and we need these two to get together, and we need to see the alien, and we're looking forward to see the Dino. I want to see the Dino. Who wants to see the Dino on this channel? Because Dino means things are going uppity up, guys. The only thing that's going up is like stable coins, but even the stable coins, USDC is in the red zone. So guys and gals, do not despair, do not worry in the house when things are looking bad. Buy the fear, guys, absolutely buy the fear, buy the dippy dips. Everything is on sale like never, ever before. This is a great time to be alive, guys. So if you look at the overall crypto prices right now, we're seeing that everything is looking down, down. But there's some sunshine, some ray of hope right now, and that is Bitcoin is up 0.4% in the last 30 days. So that's fantastic news, guys. But the main thing that you guys should be focused on right now is there's a lot of opportunities to be buying the dippy dips right now. So we're going to jump into Doge. We're going to jump into technicals of Doge. I'm going to tell you that Doge surprisingly could retest 16 cents very soon if it can maintain the support level. So we're going to jump into that. So you better keep watching, guys and gals. So we're seeing, look, if you look at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is down 4%. But if you look at the Doja Wozr is only down 3%. So Doja Wozr is strong, is resilient, and it's the top meme coin in the whole wide world. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. We absolutely know that Dogecoin is going to the moon like never before. You know it, I know it. Let's get it right now, guys. So this is a great time to be alive. So let's jump into it, guys. Let's jump into it right now. So this is just coming in right now. It says Dogecoin price eyes revisiting 16 cents, guys. So what they're saying is that Dogecoin needs to, stay above the 12.8 support level. And if it could do that, if it can complete that, it means that we're going to set up for a triple bottom, which is usually a signal, a reversal, and a bounce off the support level will likely propel Doge 27%, guys. 27%. And that could take us up to 16.3, guys. 16.3 in the house. So we could see 16 cents coming in. That could be a very decisive move for Bitcoin, for Dogecoin. Dogecoin, get yours right now. It's you. It's the Debbie Downer Bear that's making me so confused and so pathetic in the house, guys. So get it while you can. So if you take a look at the Doja Wozr right now, Doja Wozr is at 13.67, so we're well above the 12.8 support level, guys. So the 12.8 support level is around about here. We're seeing that, and we see that since December 1st, we've had this descending trial. Another descending trial. Yes, another descending trial. So we're seeing that we have this descending triangle right now, and what we're saying is that if we have a triple bottom, we're seeing a triple bottom, we're seeing here and here, this could mean that the Doja Wozr could start to retest 16 cents, guys. So if that happens, that would be cool beans in the house. I think it could happen. We're just breaking, we did break out of the apex. We're a little bit going down now, back into the apex, but still I'm pretty positive that we could break out and restart retesting 16 cents. So but for that to happen, we need to have the itty bitty baby start to make some moves, And right now Bitcoin is not looking very good, but it's still finding lots of support around the 38,200 level. So we have lots of support at the 38,200 level. We're going to jump into some news so we know why this is happening. But the fundamental reason why Bitcoin is going down, down, is because of this Debbie Downer bear right there. Also, we got the geopolitical stuff that's going on in the Ukraine and Russia. We also got the Canucks in the south of America. I mean, in the north, guys, in the north. Get your Ducks in the north. They're just going crazy out there. The government is making regulations and the state of emergency and yada, yada, yada. And they're saying, look, we're going to go after your crypto. So if you have your crypto on a centralized exchange, you better get your crypto out of town, guys, because, right now, if you need to get it out of town, guys. So, and what can you do to protect your crypto from, these regulations where they say, oh, you're a bad actor, so we're going to take your crypto. What you can do is, despite the recent threats from Canadian officials, real crypto or decentralized assets cannot be frozen, guys. So the best thing to do is get them off centralized exchanges and get them onto hardware wallets, and you can use P2P and you can use, decentralized exchange. So that is what you can do. So, but as I said, the best way to secure your crypto is to have your crypto on either a hardware wallet or a software wallet on your phone where you hold the private keys. Because if you hold the private keys, then you're in control, guys. So that is just something to remember. And also to remember, there's a lot of nefarious actors out there. There's a lot of, there's a lot of weird and wacky stuff going on. Like, with the OpenSea NFT thing, they sent some nefarious actors. They sent an email. You click on the link, and knuckleheads were like sending their NFTs to these nefarious people out there. So guys, never, ever, ever, ever click on links and emails, guys. It's just like totally bad news bears, bad news bears, because that is always the first point of call for social engineering scams, guys. So watch out for that. Absolutely watch out for that. So like I said, the best way to secure your crypto is get them on hardware wallets or software wallets. Like a good example of a software wallet, it's called Trust Wallet, guys. Trust Wallet. You can download the app and you can get your own private keys, your own seed phrase, write the seed phrase down, 12 to 24 words. Put that somewhere safe in your safe or somewhere that you won't forget it. And that's the way you can recover your crypto if you ever lose your phone. Simple, easy peasy, no worry. Get out of there. Get doing it, guys. It's a great time to be alive. So we're seeing that, Bitcoin is down, but it's still holding support. We're seeing that Bitcoin also has, had this huge M pattern, the McDonald's pattern of doom. And we see that it could be going down. And if it does go down, that would retest the $3,700 price tag. And we're seeing that. I believe that we're going to see $3,700, $37,000, $3,700. Get your words right. The Debbie Downer bear is attacking me. So, we need to get, we need to just be careful. But I believe this M pattern is going to play out. We're probably going to go down to $37,000 and even lower, guys, even lower depending on how the geopolitical situation pans out. We could even be going lower. And like I said, $33,000. Get your words right, Jerry. It's this Debbie Downer bear. He's knocking me off my game, guys. He's knocking me off my game. So we need to end it. I need to end it. So, like I said, we need. We got this $33,000 support area, right? Yep. And this is going to be a key level of support that we cannot break below. And, because if we do go below $33,000, then the thing that scares me is this $21,000 minor capitulation line. If we go down, if we start getting into, 25,000, 26,000, then the miners are going to get jittery. They're going to get jittery. They're going to get the shakes. And they could start selling their crypto, selling their Bitcoin, and that will cause Bitcoin to go down. And every time the miners do sell their Bitcoin will tank like never before. So that is what it is, guys. I'm not pulling any punches. It's not game over just yet, but it's we're like in the fourth quarter, guys, and the score is tied, and we're getting pretty close, right? We're getting pretty close. So, we just need to see what's going on. We need this whole geopolitical situation to clean up and straighten up and get back to normal out there. We got the Fed hikes that are coming in, the interest rates going up probably 50 basis points. We all know about that. It's baked in and not to worry, right? But what scares me is, we got President's Day on Monday and the markets are closed. So Tuesday could be weird and wacky. Let's see what's going on. And then the 24th of February, we got the big jobless claim report that's coming out. So keep an eye on that, guys. Absolutely keep an eye on that. So, from that perspective, we got this whole thing that came out from the Kraken president. And he said that we will be forced to comply to crypto exchange raise warning as Canada blacklists crypto. So, most of the major cryptocurrencies traded negative for a week, and a lot of that has to do with the Canada's blacklisting, like the crypto is just going down, guys, and it's just driving everybody nuts. I know a lot of you newbies out there like what is going on? And if you've never seen this before, and this is the first time to experience this whole volatility, this whole Debbie Downer thing, I know a lot of you are panicking and probably even, just hating on everyone. I mean, some people are watching. It's like, who's this idiot out there who's trying to say that everything's okay? Because I know a lot of you are feeling like it's not okay. Well, let me tell you, in my experience, I have seen this before. It's happened time and time again. Every 4-year cycle, there's always some kind of, black swan event, some kind of craziness that's going on. And this is one of these times. This is absolutely one of these times. And, compared to where we had back in March in 2020, when we had this huge, pandemic black swan thing, this is not that bad. This is absolutely not that bad, guys. And, we could see things coming up, going uppity up, guys. So just chill, guys, chill. And, like I said, if you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen and, unload your crypto, because I'll buy it cheap and go watch paint dry. So that's all I got to say about that. Life is like a box of chocolates. You don't know what you get through. You buy it. So, and this is from... a lot of these centralized exchanges, what they're saying is that, if centralized exchanges get a court order and they are told to, freeze, your accounts, they're going to do it. They're absolutely going to do it. And so this is, the Jesse Powell, and he's the CEO of Kraken, and he said 100% yes. And the question was being asked, is it possible Kraken will put a position where they're told to freeze assets by judicial and courts and this and that? And he replied 100% yes, we got to do it. We got to do it. And he said, if you're worried about it, don't keep your funds on any centralized regulated custodian. We cannot protect you. Go get your coins, cash out, and only trade P2P. So that's what he's saying, guys. That's what he's saying. And like I said, hardware wallets, software wallets, software wallets, Tracer, Ledger. There's a whole plethora of hardware wallets out there. I mean, I'm using a Tracer wallet. That's what I got. I've been using for a long time. It's simple, it's easy, yada yada yada. And I'm also using software wallets, guys. So for my crypto, it's basically 90% of it's on hardware wallets, software wallets, and I have some schmatterings on Binance, guys, on Binance and Swissborg and Crypto.com and everywhere. Because also too, you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, right? You want to have, I always call you want to have diversification of crypto, but you also want to have diversification of platforms too. You don't want to put everything in one platform like Binance and Phemex or Crypto.com or Swissborg or Luno or whatever. You want to have everything a little bit of here and there, because sometimes nefarious stuff happens where an exchange gets hacked, right? And then you're out of there, you're out of Dodge, right? So that is what we're talking about right here. So we talked about this. Despite recent threats from Canadian officials, the best thing to do is move your assets, move your assets to crypto wallets, crypto hardware wallets, software wallets, and use the DEXs, guys. Use DEXs to exchange your coins, guys. That's what I do, and you can buy and sell and P2P, guys. Just So this is from Peter Brandon in the house, and he warns Bitcoin price correction can be lengthy, and we've often seen that sometimes corrections, downside corrections, can take weeks, months, and it's not uncommon. We could absolutely see this whole Debbie Downer event that we're seeing right now. This could continue on. This could continue on to the springtime. Remember, we got March and April. We've only got about 65 days left before we start hitting the springtime. So we could see 65 days is just kind of like Debbie Downer. Like you'll be seeing this. You won't be seeing the green Dino, because we're going to be in kibosh Debbie Downer winter. The only thing you're going to be seeing is this Poonam here, the alien, and you're going to be seeing a lot of this guy right here. So smash the like, subscribe, guys, and don't forget to give super chat. Show the love with some super chats, guys. What's going on with you guys out there? So so expect that this correction could be lengthy. It could last up to 65 days. It could. But then we could see a huge reversal to the upside, guys. So even Ethereum founder Buterin says that crypto welcomes another winter. Cooling prices seem to be helping make projects more sustainable, and Buterin has shifted his focus on scaling Ethereum network. So sometimes you get a lot of hype when things are going up forever, and sometimes this is not good. But when things start to go down and there's less people clamoring and less people going nuts, less media coverage, it gives a lot of developers and developers to actually focus on their projects, guys, rather than playing ambulance or fireman, fixing their networks because of all of this and all that. So he thinks it's a good thing. So nothing goes up forever. Crypto, it's not game over, but we're in the fourth quarter. The scores are tied, and it's a penalty kick out. We don't know who's going to win, guys. So we just got to keep on keeping on, and just don't panic in the house. And if your portfolio tanks 50-60%, who cares? Wait till 2025. You'll be smiling again. Definitely. Looks like Jamaica Central Bank announces the name of its new digital currency, and it's called JamDex. So, okay, get some jam. Get some jammy jam. So it's called JamDex, guys. So that's kind of cool in the house. So as discussed, 38.5 levels is being tested with current downtrend pressure at 36 to 37 in range. So we could, like I said, we could be seeing ourselves going down to $36,000 to $37,000 for Bitcoin. And that could happen. Don't panic. But where you need to panic is when we start to see Bitcoin getting into like $25,000 range, because the minor capitulation is 21,000. So if we start to see that, then you need to panic. Okay. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. Absolutely Dogecoin to the moon. Let's get it. So this is from Matthew Hayward. Bitcoin has fallen through its first level of support as discussed recently, and that was the 39,000. And now we're retesting. Right now, like as I said, Biddy's at 38,000. So according to Matthew Hayward in the house, the next level is 36.52, and then the next level is 33,000. I don't think we're going to get that low. I think 33,352 is going to be a good support level, and I think by the time we get that low, we could see all this geopolitical stuff start to cool down. Hopefully, the thing in Canada will forget about it, but they're kind of losing it over there. I have no idea what is going on over here. So another thing, 60% of the held Bitcoin supply stays unspent for over a year. So we're still seeing a lot of the diamond handlers, a lot of people are still holding, and we're seeing that people are actively not selling their Bitcoin. They're actually holding their Bitcoin like never before. This is a good sign. Let's take a look at the leverage apes in the house. The leverage apes in the house. So right now the total wreckage on the leverage apes is we're looking at $204 million in the house. Majority of that is in the bitty baby, followed by Ethereum, Solana. We also got the Shibi Weebies being long position getting wrecked out of there. You're out of there. So we're also seeing that in the last 24 hours, 86% of all the positions are longs, guys. So just take a look at the longs. The longs are just getting wrecked like crazy, guys. Like I said, if you want to see the Debbie Downer bear, all you got to do is leverage trade. Stop it, guys. Stop leveraging trading. And if you're a leverage trader out there, listen to the OG Faith. Leverage trading wrecks it for you and me, the investors, the diamond handlers, the hodlers, guys. So stop it. But the only good thing is when these knuckleheads get wrecked, it causes the price to cascade down, and that allows us to go bargain shopping. Ching. So this is good news in the house, guys. So let's take a look at Ethereum in the house right now. So as I said earlier, Ethereum needs to stay above the $2,200 support level. If we cannot stay above that, then we're going down down to the white line of 1709. So I'm pretty sure that we're looking okay right now. We're at 2637. This line here at the 2700 has now become resistance. This is also resistance here. A lot of these green lines are just getting blown out there, and they're becoming red, guys. So our next support level, our next major support level is going to be around about $2,100. So $2,200. So we need to stay above that, and that is going to be interesting to see. So right now we're seeing that Phantom is also breaking down as well to $1.71, and Phantom needs to stay above above the $1.50. If we do not go there, then we're going down to 132 in house, guys. So let's take a look at Shibi Weeby in the house. So Shibi Weeby has come up just a itchy bit, and it's right now it's at 25.51, and it looks like we need to get a reversal. We got some good support at 23.97. Our next support area is at 20 cents. 20, not 20 cents. If it was 20 cents, I'd be like a gazillionaire right now. Like, yeah, come on. So it is what it is. Things are not looking good. It's not game over for crypto, but it's definitely not looking good right now for the crypto sphere in the house. So let's take a look at Solana in the house. Solana needs to stay above $80. If it cannot stay above $80, we're going down like a donut to around about 60,000. So this is my $80 purple line, guys. So if we break down below there, then our next stop is going to be 66. And this is a really important. Remember January 24th, we were here before at $80. Remember that. So that's not too long ago. Let's take a look at the markets, guys. The markets in the house. So the market cap is down again, and we're at 1.77 trillion. And we got the volumes are light, 40.97 billion. Bitcoin dollars is unchanged. The carnage in the house, guys, is not also looking good. And we're seeing that, Biddy is down. It's 38,367, down 4%. We're seeing Ethereum is down 3.94%, 2639, not so good. BNB is down as well, 4.89%. We're seeing ADA is also down 5.73%, also not looking good. But it depends, right? Like today, I aped into Cardano at 93.14, so I'm actually up a little bit today. So it depends, right? If you guys had dollar cost averaged in I think 6 hours ago, a lot of you will be uppity up right now. So remember, that's why I always said crypto right now is on sale. It's absolutely on sale. If you do have cash on the sidelines, it's not financial advice. This is a good time, good buying opportunity. But don't buy all at once, guys, because if things go lower, then you're gonna have nothing in your war chest to basically dollar cost average. So bits and pieces. Do like 20% today, maybe another 20% 2 days later, and so forth. Spread it out, guys. That's all important. So Luna is also down. The Dojo Warrior at 13.7553, and that's down 3.82%. We're seeing the Dotty Wadi is down at 4.17. That's at $17. We're seeing the Shiba Weeby is down 8.26%. We're seeing the Matic Wadi is also down 4.69. So yeah, it's complete carnage out there in terms of the crypto. We're seeing a lot of red. I mean, the only thing that's green is like stable coins. Like, come on, what's so like that, guys? So it is what it is. I know a lot of you a lot of people like, what? This is like a real poo-poo day. Yeah, it's the crypto market's a complete poop right now. So that's all I gotta say about that. And please follow me on my Twitter. Don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, and if you don't like the content, you can also dislike it. I don't care. That's up to you guys. Yeah, if you don't love it, you don't love it. Don't watch anymore. See ya. So, but overall, I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. I love you guys. I love this community. I'm working for you guys. I'm working for you. But, you guys need to take the lighter side of life and don't be so serious. Things are going to go down. Things are going to go up. And remember, crypto is about being patient, guys. Go check out my Linky Winks. Become a Patreon member. Buy the channel a coffee. Don't forget to check out my NFT collections, guys. My NFTs, guys. Go get it. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. It's a great time to be alive, guys. Absolutely great time to be alive. Don't forget to go and check out the Wi-Fi Wifey's channel. Do it. And don't forget to check out the merch. We got the mug, backpack, and all that cool beans stuff in the house, guys. So I know that a lot of you right now, you're looking at this fear, and you guys are like in extreme. I mean, yesterday we were extreme fear, but now we're at fear, guys. So that's we're in a better place than where we were yesterday. But I know a lot of you are not feeling good. You're thinking this is the end. You're thinking it's game over. It's not game over. This happens all the time. Every cycle it happens, guys and gals. So we go into a crypto winter for like for 2 years. So what? Okay, so what? So you could just put away your portfolio, don't look at your portfolio, come back 2 years later, right? And things might be better. They will be better because if you look, if you zoom out, Wendy Trendy is your friendly. Things are going up. It's going up. Particularly when it comes to Ethereum and Bitcoin, right? Come on, and other coins, things are not that bad. So don't panic. Have a longer term view of things. You'll be just fine. All right, guys. So this is the OG in the house with the Debbie Downer Bear, your favorite character on this channel. We got the Dino in the house, and we got the beautiful alien in the house. Coming to you live from Da Nang, Vietnam, the alien, the OG. Just want to say, God bless you guys. Have a great day. Have a great President's Day. I love you guys. See you later tomorrow. Beep, 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 beep. 9090. See you later, guys. Live long and prosper. Yeah.